All right, this is the cold front that we've been talking about now for several days. It is in the Panhandle, working its way southeast. We'll be getting into central Texas tomorrow morning. It's going to be kind of an interesting setup here tomorrow because usually we get most of our rain ahead of and while a cold front is moving through. But because of the timing of this cold front arriving during the morning, there will not be a whole lot of instability in place by the time it gets here. So there'll be some isolated storms overnight and tomorrow morning. But then once the cold front moves through, an overrunning pattern is going to give us more rain after the fronts move through in the afternoon and evening, even as temperatures have dropped. What's happening outside right now is the dry line set up to the west of us is going to generate some showers, already is, and then eventually some thunderstorms. Some of those may sneak into the hill country after about 10 o'clock tonight. And you can see which parts of the hill country I'm most concerned with for storms. Lampasas, Llano, Mason, San Saba, perhaps a little bit of Burnett County here in the overnight hours, early morning hours of tomorrow. Make sure you've got those wireless emergency alerts turned on your phone so that should a dangerous storm come through your area in the northern hill country tonight that you can be alerted about it. Tomorrow morning, as our cold front's coming through, there'll be a few spotty downpours and storms. Generally speaking, just a little light shower chance here in the morning from the metro east, though. Then we go into the afternoon, and then the rain coverage starts to ramp up with scattered showers, downpours, and some thunderstorms beginning mid-afternoon and continuing into the evening. So the wettest part of the day for most of us tomorrow, despite the isolated storms and showers in the morning, it gets wetter late afternoon and into tomorrow evening with several rounds of rain and storms. But by the time you're up Sunday morning, the majority of the rain will be out of here. There'll be a few showers in our southern counties that'll be drifting away. Have a lot of clouds on Sunday, a little break of sun here and there, but it's a mostly dry day. There is technically a low severe weather risk on Saturday during the mid-morning through midday before the cold front fully clears the area. You can get some small hail in portions of the northwestern hill country and the northwestern metro, northern Milam County as well. So 1 out of 5 severe weather risk, basically a continuation of that threat for the hill country late tonight. So 20% of us seeing rain tonight. That's largely the northern hill country. 70% of us seeing rain tomorrow. That does not mean that 70% of your day is wet. It means that 70% of central Texas has rain by the end of the day. Many of you are going to be waiting until the end of the day. High of 74 here tomorrow. You see when we get there, late morning, 74. And then that cold front comes in, takes us down into the low 60s by the afternoon. There's going to be a hole of lower rainfall totals, a quarter inch or less. But then in the northern hill country with those overnight storms, you get a bit more. Then our eastern counties get a bit more as well by Sunday morning. So tomorrow's rain chances are low at first, and then they start to gradually ramp up with the highest rain chances coming after 4 p.m. and into tomorrow evening. Sunday's rain chances are just 10% between mostly cloudy and partly sunny here tomorrow on Sunday with a high of 71. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. You can see those showers and storms make a return for the early part of the week. Monday and Tuesday, rounds of rain around. Rain chances lowering as the temperatures climb through next week with 80s back by Wednesday.